This is a question from indefinite integration. We are given an integral on the left side, and on the right we are given the integrated all the integrated terms, and we are asked to find the constant here, constant a. Okay, so it looks very complicated, seeing a lot of terms on both the sides, and yeah, all that. But if you notice, on the right hand side you see tan x plus 4, tan x plus 3, all those terms, and the left you see sin x plus 3 cos x, sin x plus 4 cos x. So immediately my reaction is that I I can make tan x plus 3 and tan x plus 4 here by just dividing by root of cos x. Okay, so that'll be my first step. I'll divide by root of cos x on both sides, on numerator and the denominator. So left side, the integral is then sin x cos of x power minus 5 by 2 by root of cos x divided by, this will become tan x plus 3, and plus this will become tan x plus 4. Now observe the numerator, this is sin x divided by cos cube x. This cos minus 5 by 2x, again minus half x here, minus cos minus half x. So that is, again we'll have a tan x, one cos x we use for sin x by cos x, and then we have 1 by cos square x left. We will write as sec square x dx, because for integration of tan x plus a constant you always need sec square x on the numerator for integration. So denominator we have tan x plus 3 plus tan x plus 4. Okay, now I substitute u equal to tan x plus 3, and then du is sec square x dx. Okay, so you see how this sec square x is important here. Oh, that gives us, then if u is equal to tan x plus 3, tan x is equal to u minus 3. U minus 3 du divided by root u plus root u plus 1. Now we just rationalize the denominator. If we multiply by root u minus u plus 1 minus root u, if you multiply by that, what you will get in the denominator is root u plus 1 square minus root u square, which is u plus 1. Okay, I'll write that down. Root u plus 1 root u plus 1 plus root u times root u plus 1 minus root u. This is u plus 1 root u plus 1 the whole square minus root u whole square. This is just u plus 1 minus u, which is 1. So we can make our denominator disappear by just multiplying by this term right here, and our integral will therefore become u plus 3 times, was it u minus 3? Let me check. Yeah, it's u minus 3. It's u minus 3 times root over u plus 1 minus root u, and denominator becomes 1, as you have seen. Okay, so this is the expression. Now we'll have 4 terms, we'll integrate it one by one, and that should give us the answer. This is root u plus u into u plus 1 minus 3 root u plus 1 minus, okay, plus 3 root u minus u root u. which is just u power 3 by 2. U power 3 by 2. Okay, only this integral it will be a bit like it takes one more step extra for solving that. Replace u plus 1 by some t, and see, we want the root for a term like this u plus 1 power. Okay, you'll see what I mean here. Okay, in one step I'll show you how it's easier. Okay, this then becomes, with du equal to dt, this integral becomes t minus 1 times root t, which is also t to the power 3 by 2 minus t to the power half. In this step we can't write anything like that, right? It's not a form which we can integrate nicely, so we need to make a substitution here. And then here we have 3 u plus 1 power 3 by 2. U plus 1 power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. This 3 u power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. This becomes, in the last term becomes u power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2. So this term we still have to integrate. What this is t power 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 minus t power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 minus have 3 cancel over here, get 2. So now let's substitute back, where I think we might have a few terms to cancel over here. So let's keep it that way and only change it at the next step. It's 2 by 5 u power 5 by 2. Okay, the first term was 2 by 5 t power 5 by 2. T is u plus 1, so this is u plus 1 power 5 by 2. Next term is 2 by 3 u plus 1 power 3 by 2 minus 2 u plus 1 power 3 by 2. Yeah, we do have few terms to cancel out. Plus 2u 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 u power 5 by 2. Okay, so these terms, what will it give me? Minus 8 by 3. Yeah, this is 2 by 5. Now you can substitute back. This will be tan x plus 4 power 5 by 2 minus, this is 8 by 3 tan x plus 4 power 5 by 2 power 3 by 2, and then we have 2 tan x plus 3 power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 5 tan x plus 3 power 5 by 2. So let's look at the question again, see how it matches with the answer. Okay, so 3 by 2 terms, both tan x plus 4 and tan x plus 3 have a 3 by 2 term. And this is, okay, minus 8 by 3 minus 8 by 3, and Yeah, we got minus 8 by 3 here. This term is 2, 2 times tan x plus 3 power 3 by 2. Okay, that also is good. Now the first two terms, tan x 5 by 2 terms, tan x plus 4 power 5 by 2. Actually, I think there's a typo for this part. Yeah, I think there's a typo. So by comparing the terms, we have a by 1550. So a by 1550 is equal to 2 by 5, the coefficients of these terms. And I think this is 5 by 2 here. Did we do some mistake? Let me check. The last term, right? Yeah, it was u power 3 by 2 and it got integrated to 5 by 2. Yeah, I think that part is a typo. And in the question, it's given 3 by 2 over here. Here. This part. I think that's 5 by 2, and a value of a is 2 into 1550 by 5, which is how much is this? 310. Yeah, that's 620. Yeah, there was a small mistake in the question.